Hey guys, look, today it's gonna be a grey lesson. Hi everybody! How you all doing today? Today, welcome to this scuffed video. We didn't really have a plan for filming today, but we wanted to get content out to you at home because we love you. So for that reason, we have invented this video. Welcome to the Franken PC video. What we have done is spent the last hour or so running around the studio and trying to find as many parts as we can that'll actually potentially work together in a build, and then I'm gonna build it and we're gonna see if it works. We also did a bit of an upgrade to our S500. We did an upgrade for our Divider 500 and did some Frankensteining over there. Will all the parts work? No idea. We'll just have to find out together. Let us begin. You coming? Stop! Hi, me again. Did you miss me? We're gonna go through the parts that we're going to be building. By we, I mean me. That's only one of me. So first, over here, we have our 500GB Seagate Barracuda SSD. This is actually a genuine Sarah model, as I ran downstairs and pinched it from my work PC. Yeah, no work for me today, hooray! Next, ignore these two, we're not using those. Poo-poo. This is the one we're using, which is, I believe, an i7, I can't actually read it upside down. 9700K, I'm pretty sure. It's a CPU, it'll do stuff, it's Intel. This is a power supply that I stole from another PC, rest in peace, that PC, which is one of our top power GF1650 watts. It's one of my favorite personal power supplies from us, so I'm pretty stoked. I don't have to plug in the cable, so happy days. This is the motherboard, which is an ROG Strix B560F Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. These is our RAM, which is some of our tough RAM. They're apparently 4,000 megahertz. I don't know where they came from. I came to work one day and they were on my desk. So are they real? Not sure. Keely went into the storage room and grabbed a bunch of these for some reason and really insisted that I use them. So here we are. Thanks, Keely. Our graphics card is a 2070 Super that wound up once again in my possession. No idea where it came from, but we're gonna use that. We have our Tough Liquid Ultra, which I pulled from another PC, so sorry. And then we also have this giant stack of fans. There's some ring quads in there and just some standard fans from the Divider series. That's our part list. All right, sorry, I'm just playing with things. So, he needs to be taut. He is in, he is secure, he ain't moving. Don't film me touching that because that was illegal. RAM is one of those really finicky things to put in. Like they either go in right the first, it's like a USB. I have to, oh my God, where did it go, Michael? Do you see where? Michael, help me. Seriously, where did it go? Where? Where did it go? Where did you go? Hello? Seriously, where did it go? I don't understand. I don't know. I don't know what this is. Have you guys seen one of these? Do you come off? So I've just destroyed my nail. This one has a toot! What are you? In order to get the fans. It fits! Thermal paste is always important. Lately I've been doing an X. There's a nice amount of paste. Oh, that's a lot of paste. Don't hate me, Reddit. Actually, that's not bad. Like, that's actually fine. And the internet will like that because the tubes are at the bottom. So take that, netizens. You think the audio is going to be the problem with this video? When I was a little girl, I said to myself, one day, I'm gonna build stupid build videos on the internet. And oh boy, look at me now. You fit! What's wrong with you? He's not fitting. Why don't we have a single good screw in this office? This office has no good screws in it. This is an unscrewable office. Now, you could say, but Sarah, this is gonna look really bad at the front because the fans are on the inside. I know. bottom holes don't line up, which is also conveniently my nickname in college. I would also like to just state for the record that I do know what I'm doing. It's the issue is with this. What do I do now? So I do actually need mental help. We need a bracket. We need a bracket for this. Am I somehow drunk? So I have got my lovely assistant Michael to nip out and grab me a different graphics card. So this is a new one, so don't worry about him. He just like, you know, my father when he left to get cigarettes when I was 8, is never gonna be seen ever again. I'm not drunk, by the way. This is just what I like to call depression. Just kidding, that's not true. That was what we in the business like to call a joke. Help me, Michael. How am I gonna do this without dislocating my elbow? I'm doing this upside. Oh, I've gotta take out these sides, Keely. So look at that lovely orange. Mmm, tasty. Where's my tray? Never take a tray from me. Never take a tray from me. I've been watching too much The Simpsons. These ones I was trying to get to cooperate with me earlier are for some reason cooperating with me now. I don't know why. Oh, I just talked you up. I think the trick with building a PC is you just have to show it who's boss. It's like a pit bull, like it can smell your fear. Like right now, it's smelling my fear. It might also just be a bit of sweaty. The rest, all that needs to be done now is like cable management and final tidy ups, but I do think we've run out of time today, so the rest of that will probably be in a second part. Part 2, commencing now. It's another day. Let's plug in this HDD that I haven't really talked much about. So this was already in here. I don't know what it is. It is a Seagate Barracuda 320 gigabytes. What? It won't go in. Cut. Keely's doing her thing. Okay. I'm glad to see the scuff hasn't changed overnight. So this is one of our ways that you can run your Rugaba. We have the ring quad fans in here, so they use these boys, and it's actually not that difficult. So first you plug this into your Molex cable, which is in the back of your power supply. I'm not sure why this has turned into a tutorial. The trick is to plug everything in like a crazy person, hope for the best, and then when it comes to shoving it all back in your case, you just shove it all back in. What do I have left to do back here before? Oh, I gotta plug in my front. Oh my god. All right, I wanna wrap this around. Is anyone good with eyes? Like looking. Oh, my tubes are in the way. All right, let's do a testy. I'm a failure. I don't know if I plugged it in the right spot. Hey, I didn't plug it in the right spot, but it turned on. All right. I don't know what that beeping is, but it's okay, because no one's gonna hear this. Oh, you can see that? Ta-da! Welcome to the world's ugliest PC. No. It has a face that only a mother could love, and as the creator of this disaster piece, this Franken PC, I think it was pretty good. I think it looks okay. Does it look great? No. Does it look like something that we planned? No, but I mean, that's kind of the point. Goes to show everybody that when it comes to building, you don't need a plan. You just need a lot of mostly deceased PCs at your disposal that you can pick over and take parts from like a vulture. Well, thank you so much for watching this very scuffed video. We hope you enjoyed it and you enjoyed watching this little monster come to life. Halloween! If you enjoyed this, whatever this was, please leave us a like and pop any thoughts or comments that you have below. Tell me that I did alright, okay? Because look, it turned on! See? Huh? Subscribe to the channel, of course, if you haven't already, to see far better quality content than this. And remember to ring the bell to be notified next time we upload something, once again, better than this. And check out any of these Thermaltake videos that'll be floating around me. Once again, probably gonna be far better than this. And we'll see you in the next piece of content. Say goodbye to this Franken PC. Bye, buddy. I'm sorry I brought you to life.